Okay, so another work day done. What did I try to get out of for? It never happened. I mean, I had a little bit of time getting dressed there. Not too bad. I think today we'll scoot down the highway a little bit. Make things happen a little faster. This is the intersection I about got taken out yesterday. Track trailer pulled out where that red Dodge was. Stopped right at the edge of the concrete on my side. There was not much more I could do. I was standing on the old binders. Like I say, unfortunately, that was in low light mode. Like a dum-dum. Looking for that 6th gear again. What a beautiful day. A little breezy this afternoon, not too bad. Not much going on at work today, just another day in the office, building some permits, moving some houses around. One of our suppliers had no electric last night, or yesterday, so that kind of screwed up our schedule a little bit. We had to shift some stuff around. We had another customer, our site was messed up, so we had to push that one out another week. But roll with the punches. Starting to get the better gist of the job. It'll take a good while to learn it all, memorize who's who and what's what. Dealing with 6 different manufacturers, all their managers and whatnot, keeping them all straight. Thought about maybe riding out tonight and trying to locate a turkey. Just listen, see what we can find. Not very talkative today. Living it up. Been so ready for this weather. Now, boy has a game tomorrow night. Debating on if I want to ride or not to work. The game's an hour away. Won't be getting home till late. If so, gotta leave my bike at work, which I'm not scared of doing that. Just the fact after being gone all night, coming back, I'd jump on the bike. I'm always up for a good ride. Be a nice cool ride. Being in the evening would put me out past dark. needs to learn to drive. Thought they were going to lose it when they were coming back over in their lane. Next week's supposed to be a lot of rain, unfortunately. Hopefully they're wrong. Car's all hopped up in that station wagon. It's a pretty mean machine. Well, there's a first. You gotta have a riding lawnmower for your 1/10 of an acre. Spend more time going forward and backwards than he does anywhere. Maybe we'll get a happy dog today. Or not. She's in the door already though. She's looking for her dad. There she is. Happy dog. Need a little longer legs to get around everything.